Hello, how y'all doing? It's time for another diecast flashback. And this time, I have a Dinky Toys Hudson sedan. The Hudson Commodore. Dinky made this from 1954 to 1959. Let's take a look at it. This one has absolutely no paint on it. There's the base. I don't think I've ever done one that had no paint to begin with. Now I'm going to paint this one. They made about 8 different versions of this through the years. And I'm going to do the first version, which is a cream body, maroon roof, and hubs. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, let's get it apart here. Now, these, this one was actually the color I'm going to paint this one. It's got the cream, you can see that cream paint in there. And on these hubs, they were maroon, like this one. See that maroon color? Both of these. So that's what we're going to do. Regular good old washer. O-ring tires, that'd be simple enough to do. This base is this one, I don't know. It's got a little overspray on it. I don't know if this was blued or if this was painted. I'll have to check it out. But there's the body. It's really a pretty cool. I like that low, like chopped roof. That's pretty cool. It's pretty sexy. Anyway, like for y'all to stay around to the end, see how this one turns out. Let's see what I can do with it. Well, I got it all cleaned up. Let's get a good close look at it. Now, the base was painted. I put it in the caustic soda and it just stripped it. So, paint that black. The hubs came out very nice. Nice and shiny. Because when I strip these with the caustic soda, I always put it in the Vapo Rust. Even though there's not any rust on it, it does clean the metal. And then I use a wire brush to clean them up. So this casting is kind of rough. You can see that in the roof, how rough that is. It's like somebody took and scratched it really good. There's right there, there's a casting line. I'll sand that off. But look at all that pitting. It's rough down on the edge. The grill looks pretty good. No damage to that, so that'd be good. But yeah, it's that surface, man, that's pretty rough. But I'll get it out. So anyway, that looks pretty good. That's pretty cool. That's what you call a lead sled. It's like that mercury that's all chopped off. That's pretty cool. I like it. I got another one. I did one earlier. Been a while. And this one will look just like it, other than it'd be cream body and maroon top and wheels. But that turned out pretty good. Yep. Well, let's get busy. This body is terrible. I mean, I've started using my Dremel to kind of get some of that pitting out. But I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. Man, it's in really. I got all the casting lines off of it. Was able to dress that up. I took my dental pick here and kind of went around the windows and kind of cleaned out all that mess as much as I could to try to get the drip rails and the window frames lined out. But what I do is use these little sanding pads, 220 grit, and I'll show you what I do. All that pitting right there. Just got to do it nice and even. Just like if you were working on an automobile. And you'll see how that is. You can get those deep marks out of there, and then after I kind of get them out as best as I can, then I'll take a sanding pad. I use these cosmetic files. You get the cosmetic department, they got 180 grit on one side and 100. Then I'll just take and sand that out, smooth it out. But you can see it is getting all the getting it out of there. And I'll go through and just make sure it's all feathered and all nice and smooth. I don't know what I'm going to do here. I just have to get me some little pieces of sandpaper and just try to work on those doors best as I can. I don't like doing this unless I absolutely have to, but this one was in such bad shape, so much pitting, that I had to just file it down. I had to get rid of the door handles and the door lines, and I just have to make this one a custom. I mean, actually, it turned out pretty good after I sanded and filed on it and everything. But that's what happens when you get into something like this. But hey, it'll turn out okay. I'm gonna try something. I put one of these rubber tires that I got from Model Supplies to go on this car, the white wall, and I'm going to try to, well, I'll show you what I did. I took a marker and did it around the edge. So I thought I'd show you how I did it. It's pretty cool. And just take, let's see. And there you go. Okay, let's try to put this together with limited interruptions This is what it looks like. It turned out okay. I hate that I had to shave off the door handles. But after I got into it, somebody before me, you know, when I first got this, it didn't have any paint on it. And after I had to, it was so pitted and so rough that, I mean, I really just had to sand on this thing tremendously. Somebody had tried to give it a zinc bath, to zinc plate it. And man, it just about ruined this car. But I think I did it justice. So let's try to get it together. Let's see. Start with these wheels. Put the axles in the back. And the wheels on. Let's pick a good side. I'd say that side looks good. Trying to pick the best tire. I think that one is. And then this one. And then drop it down in here. Well, first let's put these on. There we go. And there we go. Hope everybody's doing good. The weather's starting to change. All the leaves have turned and fell on the ground. I've been cleaning leaves up now for a couple weeks. Let's get her screwed together. And the last one. And there we go. All right. It's a good roller. And there we go. Let's get up a little closer so you can get a good look at it. There's the grill. Some details on it. Looks pretty good. I just wish I could have saved those door handles. That's what we call the lead sled. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down in the comment section of what you think about it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time with another diecast flashback. Now that's a flashback. Have a good one.